pull them out. Let them get some exercise and time to stretch their little legs and get their little legs underneath them.
Look at these guys. They're so cute.
They're not quite walking yet. They're still kind of crawly.
Yeah. Kitty, 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 kitty.
And I was looking at their mouths, checking their mouths and making sure their eyes are starting to open up the way they're supposed to be. And it looks like they're doing okay. Yeah, one kitten doesn't have its eyes all the way open.
It's alright, Onyx. It's alright.
I thought one of its eyes it just had a bunch of gook on its eye. So we thought one eye wasn't open.
I see you, Kaden. Oh. Aww. Look at this, guys. Look at all this.
So we thought one of its eyes wasn't opening, and then Onyx cleaned it, and sure enough, its little eye popped open.
What? It's alright, Kaden, really?
It just had some goopy stuff on it.
Oh, Perky. Emma, look at his...
They're all crawling around on the bed. Yeah.
Look at all these baby kittens. Oh, they're so cute. Alright, kitty, 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 kitty. There's a dog. He's so cute. Hi. Kaden. No. Kaden.
Kaden, lay down. No, she's freaking out because Mona was in here and Ray came in here, and now
Really?
Jenny and Emma are in here. So Kaden's kind of freaking out over the babies.
I'll see you later, Star.
Alright, bye, sweetheart.
I'll go over here. It's okay, Kaden. It's okay. No. Good girl.
These babies sure are cute.
Yeah, they're so adorable. I'm gonna go. Bye.
Yep.